Now let us see the feature of this vending machine. Now to turn this machine on, you have to press the red button once. Now the machine has turned on and it shows a stock of 100 pads and per unit price of 5 rupees. As you can see, there are two dispensing units. There are 50 pads each in one dispenser. To set the price of the pad, you have to long press the green button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you will hear a beep noise, which means the machine has entered the setting price menu. Now, to change the price, I have to press green button. You can set any price from rupees 1 to 10 using this method. We are going to set a price of 10 rupees. After setting the price, we can turn off the machine so that it can take the entered amount as the set price. As you can see, now per unit cost is 10. Let us see the dispensing of the pads. I have a 10 rupee coin which I'll insert here in the coin selector. As you can see, for a 10 rupee coin, the machine has dispensed one pad. If I've entered an amount of 5 rupees, it could have given me 2 pads. So this machine is tuned to accept multiple coins from 1 rupee to 10 rupee. So new small 1 rupee coin, new and old 2 rupee coins, and every possible type of 5 rupee coins is actually coded here. Along with that, 10 rupee coin is also accepted in this machine. Now as you can see, there's only one pad remaining. So here we will see what happens when the machine runs out of stock. So we are entering the coin and now the last pad is getting dispensed. Now the machine starts beeping, saying that the machine has run out of stock, kindly turn it off. Now we turn the machine off. So this is the box in which you can get your collection. Now as you can see, the machine is empty. How to refill the machine? I have a load of pads with me. Now I'll show you how to load the machine with the pad. Now as you can see, in between these springs, we can load the pads. Now to load the pad, we have to fold the pads like this, and then we can insert the pads like this. This way we can fill each spring with 50 pads. Post filling of the pad, we can reset the machine and stock. So now the machine has started. It's showing the machine is out of stock. Now to reset the machine, I have to press the green button for 3 seconds until I hear a first beep. Now the machine has set the stock to 100. So that was the video, maintenance and refilling of the sanitary pad vending machine. Thanks for watching.